You can't even sit in peace, cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time today, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is the I Am So Cray channel. This is So Cray. I'm coming to you guys with something I have not done before. I haven't taken the time to sit with an opening. I have so much equipment and things that I'm doing with my videography and just my vlogging period. But this time, I'm gonna bring y'all guys in on something very important. I've been working on movie sets and TV sets and different things, and I've just been like thinking of ways to level up my craft, and this is it. This right here, man. Y'all know, if y'all don't know, because I haven't been letting y'all know, I love DJI products. I love DJI products, and this is the DJI wireless mic system. You know what I'm saying? Let's check out the box. It's fire. They got these pictures on the side, you know, giving you, you know, how the products look out of the box and on things. It's time to open this box. I'm excited. I'm gonna dive into everything when I get to it. This is about to change a lot of things, like my Melanin Queens project. If I had this, it don't matter, because everything I do from now on, it is on, okay? So, you know, that seal, you know, is brand new. Flap the flap open, check it out. First thing we got is this packaging, which I'm sure is like the charger and accessories. And here is the workhorse, the all-new DJI wireless microphone system. I've been waiting to have something like this. I've been taking the time to invest in myself, so here it is. The sleek design is beautiful. It fits right in my hand. It's bulky, it has weight. It feels great. Like, I'm excited holding it. This is the top. You can see the LCD screen display on the top. It's touchscreen, so you can adjust your settings on top, which is one of the key points in why I got it. This is the actual mic. It's just, man, the design is great. I'm excited. I don't even want to talk about things, man. The charging case feels great. The receiver is great. The two transmitters. Can't wait to, one, do my first sound test, which technically right now I am putting the mic on, but I have it on right now because I'm talking to y'all on this thing. So tell me how y'all like this audio, and then, you know, we'll fast forward to when I put the mic on and start talking to you guys. So here it goes. Okay, so boom. Hopefully this test is going great. I got this new DJI mic set up. He basically just sat with me, taking it all loose, checking all the pieces. I'll go over it again, or maybe, you know, just a little, now that I have this mic on. This sweet charging case, for one, it feels amazing. It has a great weight to it, so you know they didn't pop out no cheap parts. Everything is pretty sturdy. This clip is okay. I like the design. I like these grooves. It kind of give you like a grip. It gives you the battery indicator. It's just, it's sweet, man. 2 mics. You got the proper connections. I got an iPhone and an iPad, so I can run both of mine. Right now, the receiver is on my phone, which is on my OM 5 smartphone gimbal. Again, you got the charger. Of course, everything now is USB-C. We got this, what you call this? We got this right here. So if we got to manually plug to anything, and not just using, phone. Your camera. I can't wait to use this with the camera, man. We have the two cat balls. That's what I'm gonna call them. Oh man, this is about to do a lot for what I've been wanting to do, or what I've been doing, or the lack of what I've been doing. Anyway, I can do what I gotta do and talk to y'all and be straight, man. I have not even checked the sound quality. I haven't really dove into it. I haven't made it through the menu like I need to. But just with the overall presentation and the boxing, I'm impressed. I feel like I made a good decision. I have so many DJI pieces of equipment. You know what I'm saying? I got the Ronin, from this to my drone. If you've seen any of my drone videos, which that'll be cool now because I can kind of talk through some of that. I always wanted to like talk through flight, but like, how do you record it? I needed this. Interviews I've been doing, and this is just about to change. It's about to change a lot. So see me, watch me work. I needed this for the Melanin Queens project. If I reboot it, or when I reboot it, things are getting hectic in the crazy world. But anyway, tap in. I just wanted to finally open something with my camera on. So, we're here, it's here. We're about to use it. So just one final look at the DJI mic, wireless mic system, and we got this charging case. When you open it, you got the indicator on the front, letting you know exactly where your battery's at. This is fresh out the box, so of course it doesn't have a battery. I would show you the transmitter again, but the transmitter is currently on my phone, which is also on my DJI OM 5, OM 4, OM 5. One of those numbers. So many things. But this again, great job by DJI. Like, I really love the design. I really love the size and the weight of this mic, the transmitter, or receiver. Yeah, receiver. So we got that going on. It's really sweet, man. It's this magnetic clamp on the back, so you can not only clip, but you can stick. So, we could get it in some different places that we usually couldn't. I have my iPhone adapter, but of course they got the USB-C. So if I wanted to run it with my iPad, I can. Of course, this extra clip for the transmitter to mount it if it's not like mount it how it is on my iPhone right now. If I had another, I do have another camera, but y'all get it. Y'all see it when I put it on the camera and we working. Because, yeah, we're not redoing it. But, like I said, man, this is fire, bro. The packaging is sweet. This bag is amazing. You know, they got this DJI storage bag with the accessories. You can't get no better than that. Can't get no better than that. DJI did another thing, as they have been moving and moving. Didn't they just make like video transmitters? I don't know, but you know, we here and we're advancing and we going. So just stick in there with me, man. Life's like crazy.